Supplementary motor area is used in patients with Parkinson's disease, levodopa-induced dyskinesias, obsessive compulsory disorder, or Tourette syndrome. Make the first circumferential measurement between the nasion, the point between the nose and the forehead, and inion, the most prominent tuber on the back of the skull. In our case, this distance equals 32 centimeters. Mark CZ point that lies right in the middle of this line, or at 16 centimeters from inion or nasion in our case. Mark CZ. SMA point lies 15% toward the nasion from CZ point. So that means in our case this distance equals 4.8 centimeters.